As the first model in the strictly limited Mercedes Benz Mythos series, the Mercedes-AMG PureSpeed is celebrating its world premiere at the Formula One Abu Dhabi Grand Prix. The uncompromising realization of a fully open two-seater performance car with no roof or windscreen is a tribute to racing and offers an unforgettable driving experience. The Mercedes-AMG PureSpeed celebrates Mercedes-Benz's tradition in motorsport with its thrilling racing car design, innovative materials, and modern technology. The exclusive small series is strictly limited to 250 models. The design of the Mercedes-AMG PureSpeed is characterized by a combination of a low silhouette, a long bonnet, and a very low front end with a distinctive shark nose. With its wide air intake, AMG lettering, and a dark, chrome-plated Mercedes star on the soft nose, the front resembles the Mercedes-AMG ONE. In addition, the car features an aerodynamically optimized bonnet,